Imagine working 40 years, doing everything right, only to run out of money 15 years into retirement. That's exactly what nearly happened to Bill and Carol from Sarasota, Florida. Bill was a school administrator, Carol taught elementary. Between them, they had over $540,000 saved in their 401ks. It should have been enough. But here's the twist: it wasn't. And if you think your 401k alone will carry you through retirement, this might be the most important video you watch today, because what's happening in the markets right now could seriously derail the next 20 years of your life. Let's start here. On April 12th, Bloomberg reported that inflation is stubbornly sticking and that rate cuts may be delayed until late 2025. That's bad news for retirees. Why? Because every dollar in your 401k just lost buying power. And if you haven't noticed, grocery bills aren't coming down. Neither is gas. Neither are insurance premiums. At the same time, major banks like Wells Fargo are bracing for recessionary shocks, while the IMF just warned that aging populations are triggering a global retirement crisis. So let me ask you this: what happens when the market tanks, inflation stays hot, and your 401k is fully exposed? Because that's the exact situation Bill and Carol found themselves in. In 2022, their portfolio dropped nearly $90,000 on paper within 6 months. That's when Bill said, "We need to do something different." That decision led them to diversify by rolling over $273,900 into a gold IRA. Not because they were doomsday preppers, but because they were smart. They wanted stability, not roller coasters. And today, that gold IRA has held steady while markets continue to whiplash. Their savings are secure, and Carol says she finally sleeps through the night again. All of this started with the free gold IRA guide and a no-pressure educational call. I'll tell you how to get that in just a second. But first, let's talk about why this strategy works so well. Unlike stocks or mutual funds, physical gold isn't tied to the Fed's latest rate decision. It's a tangible asset that's historically gained during inflation, recession, and dollar devaluation. And a gold IRA lets you legally move a portion of your IRA or 401k into gold without penalties or taxes. So for retirees with over 100k in retirement savings, this isn't about speculation, it's about protection. Especially when the dollar is weakening and Wall Street's optimism feels more like denial. And look, this isn't about putting everything into gold. It's about making sure something in your portfolio is built to last, no matter what the economy throws at us. If you've worked hard your entire life to build up that nest egg, don't let it evaporate, because no one told you how fragile 401ks really are when inflation and volatility strike at once. That's why I want you to do what Bill and Carol did. Tap the link and get your free gold IRA guide. You'll also get access to a short, no-pressure, one-on-one call with a real expert, not a salesperson. No silver coin gimmicks, no pushy upsells, just honest answers to help you decide if this is right for you. Because doing nothing is still a decision. And sometimes, the cost of waiting is everything you've saved. So if you want to leave behind a legacy, not a financial mess, start with the free guide. The sooner you take action, the more options you'll have. This is your moment to protect what you've built. Take it.